Kylie, what are we making today? Mmm. Hey guys, today I want to teach you how to make the most delicious and authentic Vietnamese pho you ever tasted. No MSG, no artificial flavors, just pure organic, fresh, and healthy food. Hey Mom, what are you making right now?
Hôm nay tôi nấu phở. Nấu xong rồi, ở trong này là bò viên á. Nước nèo.
I have no idea what she said, but you know she's legit, so let's get started. First, you need to buy about 4 or 5 big pieces of beef bone marrow and about 2 big pieces of beef shank. Make sure they're washed thoroughly and put them in the pot. And then fill the pot up with cold water. Now turn the stove up to high. Now we wait for it to boil. It should take about 30 to 40 minutes or so. You'll start seeing foam and these residue that start to arise. And that's what you want to get rid of. You want to get rid of all the residue. You want to get rid of all the oil as well. So when you look into the broth, it should look pretty clear. It's supposed to look transparent. Now to the good stuff. This is what makes pho the way it tastes. The herbs and vegetables. You need 2 onions, a handful of dried fennel seeds, 2 to 3 small pieces of Chinese cinnamon, 2 to 3 small pieces of Star Anise, and 2 pieces of Lanxangia Tsoako. Don't worry if you didn't get all of that, I will have it in the description below. Once that is done, we're going to add something that only we do that's going to make the broth extra tasty, some beef tendons. And then we're going to add the beef balls at the very end. Here we are adding the beef tendons and the herbs and vegetables and the 2 onions. Now turn the stove to medium and let it slow boil for about 3 hours. We've taken the beef tendons and the beef shank out of the broth and then cut them into small slices. And at the top we have the beef tenderloin. We're almost ready to feast. Now we have to soak the vermicelli for about 1 hour to make sure it'll be soft and springy. Time to add the finishing touches. Pour in about 2 teaspoons of fish sauce. This is really a matter of taste. You can pour in a little bit more to make it a little bit saltier. 2 teaspoons of sugar and 2 teaspoons of salt. You can add in the beef balls at this point. Okay, now we're rehydrating the vermicelli because we're getting ready to eat soon. Now we're adding back the beef tendons and the beef shank to the bowl. The best part about making it at home is you can put as many as you like. Now it's time to cook the beef tenderloin. As you can see, make sure the broth is about medium boil before you start to cook the beef. You can cook the beef however you like. Rare, medium, however you like your beef. Time to finally pour in the broth. That looks amazing. Here we're gonna add in the condiments. You can add bean sprouts, onions, cilantro, scallions, and basil. My go-to dipping sauce is the Hoisin sauce, or seafood sauce, and Siracha. Oh, and don't forget to add some lemon on top. Now we're ready for the feasting.
Nhé.
So this is the second day we're eating pho, and basically that pot of broth can serve about 9 to 10 servings, okay? So in this pho we have the beef tenderloin, right? And the beef tenon, and also the beef balls. And also, you know, the broth and the vermicelli. And how I like to eat my beef, dip it in the seafood sauce. It's pretty good. Also for the same thing for the tendons. I like to put it in the seafood sauce. Super soft. Well done, well done.